Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I know y'all been waiting for me to review my lovely lip glosses, and I've been dying for these packages too. Like, I just ordered them Monday, and I was like, alright, y'all can hurry up with my packages. But I just feel like that comes with, when you order all your packages or any packages at all, you just be like, hurry up, process it already, bring my stuff. So, currently right now, I'm in my school clothes. I feel like I smell like school. And I just have the whole school environment on me. So like literally right after this video, I'm taking a nice good shower, going to bed. Because your girl is tired. But without further ado, I'm going to get into reviewing these packages. So first of all, this right here, this is the bomb. Not only because my favorite color is blue, but this is so cute. Like, I've never seen packages like this per se. Or, you know, people use these kind of packages. Most likely people use the poly mailers, like me, but this is mad cute. So the first one I'm going to be reviewing is from Jazzed Up Gloss. So if you're watching this, hey girl. I don't even want to ruin it, because she has like a little sticker right here with her logo on it. It's so cute. I don't even want to ruin it, which I'm not going to. Let me find some scissors, because I know I got some scissors in here somewhere. Don't mind everything in the background. I'm just trying to get some stuff figured out for the month of May for my launch. Well, not launch, but like new things I want to release. Okay. Alright. Oh snap. Like nothing else is in here? Alright. Cool. Might just end up keeping this. This is cute. And then it came wrapped up and like, oh man, I have brain fart right now. But I be using these to wrap up my boyfriend's gift. This is mad cute. Oh snap. And it came in the organza bag. Okay. Girl, I wonder if you just knew what my favorite color was. I'm just kind of wondering if you knew what my favorite color was. I'm keeping this. I don't care. Okay. This is cute. And her little logo's on it. So I'm not even going to hold you. I'm going to have to go back to my order, so I don't butcher up the name of what I've gotten. So give me 1 second. Oh, it's not on. So I ordered Bombshell. And let me just tell you guys, I ordered this on Monday and I just got it today. So shipping wasn't too bad for me. I'm not complaining. I mean, complaining on the inside, like, you know, when you order your packages, you want them right away. But I'm going to just do a swatch of the gloss, and then when the video's done, I'm going to just show how it looks on my lips. All of that, let me see. Okay. Oh, snap, my nose. It smells mad good. It smells like strawberries. I'm over here swatching it. Let me stop. Okay. Nah, I love this one. I'm keeping this organza bag too. But this is what, if you can see it, this is what the swatch looks like. So this is Bombshell. And I actually used a discount code. I'm gonna tell you guys right now which discount code I used to get it. At least I think I did. Oh, it's not even telling me what the name of the discount code is right now. But I definitely did use a discount code. So definitely buy from her. Like, I can't wait to show y'all what it looked like on my lips. Alright, next one. Let me get this swatch off my arm real quick. It smells like strawberries. It smells so good. Nah, I'm actually gonna wait. Okay, I feel like a hoarder. I'm keeping all this stuff. I don't like throwing away stuff though. Alright, next package. I'm sorry if I butcher your name. Like, I'm sorry. But this one is from Acire Cosmetics. So her name is Acire Cosmetics. So you know the name, Make sure y'all follow her too and buy from her. One thing again, these stickers is mad cute. Like, y'all make me want to do stickers. Honestly, oh snap, I can't even wait. Oh, I like how you taped up the packages on the side. Like, that's very smart. Because people out here like to steal people's packages out here. Oh god. Yeah. Where's my scissors? That's mad heavy duty to be opening like that. Alright. Shipping on this. So I ordered all of these glosses on Monday. Whatever. And this one got here Thursday. It got here yesterday. Was it this one? It was either this package or this package that was supposed to come earlier, and USPS played me, like, talking about they couldn't get into the building. I mean, you just try a little harder next time. So, okay. Right. So I ordered it on Monday, and I'm gonna got something else. I ordered it Monday. So yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm keeping all y'all organza bags. And it came with a little note. Alright. I love y'all. This is so cute. Alright, let me not bust up the sticker. The stickers is the best part. Okay. It's basically a little thank you note. It says, Dear Brianna, thank you for supporting my business. I plan to return the favor and purchase something from your business also. Oh, that's mad cute. Girl, I'm about to stick this on my wall somewhere. But her, actually, I'm not going to say her real name because I don't know if she wants her real name to be announced. But this is mad cute. Y'all give me a lot of ideas. But don't worry, I'll give y'all credit though. I'll give y'all credit if I do the ideas. The sticker one, definitely. Like, this is mad cute. For sure. And I got Pretty in Pink. Damn, all these pink glosses. My boyfriend gonna be like, you got enough lip gloss. It's never such thing as too much lip gloss, babe. Never too much. Alright, I want to put this back in here perfectly. This is mad cute. Oh my god. Okay, wait. How? Oh, snap. Oh, don't want to drop none of it. This smells like vanilla. It smells really good. I'm gonna do a quick swatch. Oh, that's pretty. That's what it's called, Pretty in Pink. Let me stop. But nah, the first gloss from Jazzed Up Cosmetics was very smooth when I placed it on my hand, so that's very good. I like that. Everybody loves a smooth gloss. And then this is the other, I hope you guys can see it. This is the other swatch. This light just does not do justice. These swatches is not doing justice. I have to do another swatch once I'm done, and a swatch on my lips, of course. This as well smells really good. Yo, this is so pretty. I should have gotten the bigger version. And the gloss is very, very smooth as well. Nah, this smells dumb good. Right, I couldn't close it. Okay. So I'm gonna be providing all the links in my description box. So y'all better cop. Like, I don't know what y'all waiting for. And last but not least, I got a package from Tay on More Creations. Girl, I love the idea that, you know, that we both got going on with the handwriting. That's very good. And this definitely as well too. The color pink. The pink polymetallics are cute. Okay. Hold on. Okay. I just don't want to be messing up my packages. Oh snap. Okay, yeah, let me not do that. Let me just open it like this. I see something already. Okay. This remind me of Easter. That's so cute. I feel like I'm opening up an Easter basket. Okay. Right, I didn't get a business card with Jazzed Up Cosmetics, guys. Sorry, so I can't really show you anything about that one. I got the thank you card from here, and this is the first business card that I got. Oh snap! But it says upload a picture, tag hashtag Tamor Beauty. I need to get my hashtag going. I be playing to get uploaded to the site on Instagram. To the site or Instagram. Thank you for shopping with Tamor Beauty products and more. On it has her Instagram, and it has her. I just have a big brain fart because I'm ready to do these swatches. It has her where you can shop, her site where you can shop. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like it's bright as hell. I'm just gonna zoom in on it. There we go. There we go. This is the front, and this is the back of it. This is cute. Nah, I'm keeping this too. Keeping all y'all little things that gave me. And from her, I purchased, gotcha right now. I got two. Got one called Azalea and Rose. Ooh, sparkly. That's cute. Okay, so I like how these, oh snap, I like how these sample glosses came with the lip wand. That's very good and creative. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna hold you. There's no pictures to tell me which one is which because it looks like it got taken off. But I think the purple one is Azalea. But guys, this is the last stock. So y'all better hurry up and cop. Y'all can cop something else too, like, honestly. I'm actually, yeah. This is mad soft. Oh wait. This smells like grapes. It's smooth to my skin. Which is great. Okay. And I really like these. These are cute size for samples. Okay. I'm not using my other lip one because I'm gonna actually keep that one. Okay. This one smells like, okay, I thought I got on my pants. It smells like mint, honestly. Or I'm probably bugging out. It smells like mint. Okay. Definitely doing some lip swatches, so don't worry, guys. But this is what this one looks like up close. I just swear this light is not, or this whatever is not doing justice. This is cute though. And, oh, it's right here. I have no complaints, honestly. Everything, each package had its own creativity added to it. And that's what I definitely personally like. I definitely like the poly mailer for this one. Like, it's not going in the garbage. And the organza bag either, because, girl, blue is my favorite color. And the thank you note with this one was so cute. Like, I don't think I've ever gotten a thank you note from anybody. It's mad cute. And this, I'm definitely keeping this. Definitely keeping that. It's mad cute. And I'm saving this stuff one for an emergency. I will be applying these with my fingers. Right. So all of the links will be in the description box below. Like I said, I have no complaints. Y'all guys better go cop from them because their lip gloss is smooth. It's not sticky. They all have good smells to it. There's nothing you can go wrong with. And they all have their own creativity incorporated in their packages. So let me do these quick swatches on my arm. I don't even know if I want to do the swatch anymore. I just want to put them on my lips. But I'll be nice enough and do the swatch on my arms, and I'll do it on my lips so you guys can see what it looks like.